What if everything you knew about weight loss plateaus was wrong? You start a new diet. You work out. The pounds begin to drop, and then suddenly everything stops. No matter what you eat or how hard you train, the scale won't budge. But here's the truth that almost no one talks about. Plateaus aren't failures. They're signals. Signals from your body that something deeper is happening. Something rooted in biology, not willpower. And once you understand what's really going on, you can break through any plateau, scientifically. Let's uncover what the experts aren't telling you, and the exact methods that can get your fat-burning engine moving again. 1. Why plateaus are a feature, not a flaw. When your body stops shedding weight, most people assume they're doing something wrong. But biologically, your plateau is a survival mechanism. It's called adaptive thermogenesis, a protective process where your body reduces energy output to conserve fat stores. Your metabolism slows. Your hunger hormones increase. And your body becomes more efficient, burning fewer calories even when you eat less. Why? Because your body thinks you're starving. It's not sabotaging you. It's trying to save you. But here's the good news. This reaction can be overridden with specific, science-backed strategies. 2. The hidden hormonal culprits. One of the most overlooked reasons people hit a weight loss wall is hormonal adaptation. Here are the key players. Leptin drops when you lose fat, making you hungrier and less energetic. Ghrelin increases during calorie restriction, boosting your appetite. Cortisol rises with stress and lack of sleep, leading to stubborn fat retention. Especially around the belly. If your hormones are out of balance, no amount of dieting will push you forward. You don't need more discipline. You need a smarter approach. 3. Break the plateau with science. 3 proven tactics. Let's talk strategy, because breaking a plateau isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. 1. Reverse dieting, strategic calorie increases. Yes, eating more can actually restart fat loss. Slowly increasing your calories over a few weeks boosts metabolism and restores hormonal balance. 2. Strength training over cardio. Muscle is metabolically active. Building more of it through resistance training helps you burn more calories, even at rest. 3. Sleep and recovery optimization. If you're not sleeping 7 to 9 hours consistently, your body stays in a stressed, fat-preserving state. Fix your sleep, and your fat loss resumes. Bonus tip. Cycle your carbs or include occasional refeed days to keep leptin levels from crashing too low. This keeps your metabolism from hitting a wall. 4. What the fitness industry doesn't want you to know. The diet world loves when you plateau, because it means you'll come back for more products, plans, and promises. But here's what they won't say. You don't need a new diet. You need to understand your biological rhythm. Fat loss isn't linear. It's adaptive. And once you accept that, you stop punishing yourself, and start working with your body, not against it. That's when the transformation really begins. So here's the truth. Weight loss plateaus aren't the end of your journey. They're a checkpoint. A signal that your body has adapted, and now it's time for you to adapt. With the right tools, backed by real science, you can unlock the next phase of your fat-burning transformation. What strategy are you trying next? Reverse dieting? Strength training? Hormonal reset? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Because in the next video, we're diving into the 3 metabolic myths that are silently killing your results, and how to beat them without starving or overtraining. Stay sharp. Stay curious. And remember, the plateau isn't your enemy, it's your next level.